Well, I checked.
What?
The door is locked.
The door is locked? What?
The door is locked.
What?
The
door is locked!
door is locked. My ears are bleeding now. The door is locked, everyone. We can't escape.
We can't escape. No.
A letter.
Oh my god, what's this?
Let's see what's in it. So, hi everyone. This is our version of an escape game, the escape challenge. How can you have an escape game with your students in a classroom without actually locking them? So our idea is you start with a letter. Hello student, I am the mystery teacher, etc, etc. So this letter gives some information, but basically we will have three games that we use and that you can find in the tutorial description below. 3 games. If you win each game, I will give you a piece of clue. So it can be a word, it can be a series of numbers that maybe we can transform into a word or something. Well, there's you're not giving them straight away the answer, okay?
Oh!
You have to work it out. So, what games are we going to use? Well, in our version, we're going to use human spelling. Description is here, remember? So, yeah. Let's draw hot. Okay, how do you write hot? H-O-T. Go. Okay, yes, perfect. You've got it. Okay, so I'll give them a piece of clue. Another game will be who's the best? So, who's the best singer?
I'm the best singer.
You're the best singer? Okay, let's see. Okay, we compete with that. At the end, I say, okay, that's enough. You did well. Here's another clue. So they can start to assemble things. And the third game we're going to use, do you know? It's the smuggler. So smuggler is where you have to find where people hide things in their pocket, in their shoes, and of course one of the piece of clue will be hidden somewhere. So at the end, so our group, here I have a group of 3 students. This group of 3 students will talk together and will try to find the secret sentence. Okay.
Oh, put the
With
clue
all
together.
Put the clues together.
Okay.
Now, imagine you have a group of 15, 20, 30 students. Well, divide your students in groups and give each group a challenge, okay? So it's going to be the same challenge for everyone. The smuggler challenge, but you're going to give the clue to the winning team. At the end, the groups will have different clues that they'll have to assemble. What's a good way to get students to work together and to exchange information? Numbered heads, which is a game we also have in the description. So basically, to sum up, letter, boom, we are locked. Let's escape. We need a secret code to escape. To get the secret code, different games. At the end, students work together to find the secret code. If they find it, they're free. We're free!